G'day guys, Greg here. Now today I'm back off to KFC because I've got a brand new secret menu item. Now if you don't know how to access the secret menu, keep watching. Otherwise skip ahead about 30 seconds. I'll see you then. Alright, well first you need to open your app and then you've got to go down here to the menu and click on that. And well, then you've got to pull this down and just hold it. Just keep holding it until a red bar comes up with secret menu. You might need to pack a lunch, a separate lunch, to get this lunch, because sometimes it can take a little while. Here it comes! Alright, let's hope this one has the secret menu. Right, here we go. Please have it. Yes! Here we go. The wicked loaded chips. $8.45. Now this is an app only special of course, but if I go down a bit, it's got chips written here, and if I click on that, it says customize. If I click on the customize, then it comes up with a blank screen and modify chips, and then it's got extra chicken salt. So I'm going to click on that and just see if they actually give it to me. They've got an option for no salt there. What sort of psycho would do that? Anyway, confirm selection. Add to order. View cart. Right. Check out. Okay. Heads up, have I got the right restaurant? Oh, I hope so. Otherwise, someone else is going to get a free secret menu meal. Select payment. Right. Well, probably aged 5 years waiting for this. Okay, processing my order. Right, okay. Now, I am going to go and pick this up through the drive-thru. So I'll click on that. Tap below when you're at the drive-thru. Well, I'm close enough. I'm just down the road. All right, what's that number say? 1912. Oh, I think I've had that number before. Anyway, I better screenshot it. And let's go. Now this KFC has got a drive-thru that I'm picking it up through, so I'm gonna have to use it. I've got an online order.
Yeah, what's the name and number?
1912 is the number. Grego.
Yeah, you're good to go through the last window for that one.
Alright, thank you. See you soon. Last window. All good to drive through. Right. Now, I don't know how many windows this has, so it's a little bit confusing. There's the first window, I'm guessing. I think they need to specify how many windows. They should say, we've got 16 windows, go to the 7th from the start. Or the end. Or just go to the last window. That's probably easier to say.
Do you want a bag for that one?
Ah, no, that'll be fine.
Good. Enjoy
Great.
your day.
Thank you. Gee, tell you what, it looks like a supermodels convention in that KFC. Anyway, this is it. It doesn't seem like it weighs a lot. Look, let's find somewhere to park and we'll chuck it on the scales. Now they did give it to me with a fork and some napkins, but no face wipe, so it's probably not going to be too much of a dirty bird. Anyway, let's see how much it weighs. 318 grams, minus the container. Well, you've got to take 20 grams for that off at least, so you're looking at about 300 grams worth of food. Anyway, let's crack it open and see what we actually get in this secret menu item. Okay, here we go. Yeah, baby! Whoa! Ooh, that looks good. Now this secret menu item is supposed to be golden chips and popcorn chicken, topped with their new wicked sauce. What is that, it? Gee, that would have taken a lot of brain cells to think up. Anyway, it sucked me in. So, well, there's your special sauce, and there's quite a few popcorn nuggets there. And underneath, we've got the chips. But did they add the extra salt? Anyway, let me just remind myself what this wicked sauce is like. It's supposed to be sweet and spicy, but I didn't get spicy last time. Maybe it's got a mild paprika in it that they reckon's spicy. That actually isn't. Definitely like a caramel honey flavour that's just got this tiny little heat about it. Nothing to worry about though. Unless you hate spicy things, then I would not be going near this with a 10-foot barge pole. But let's dig down. I want to see if they put extra salt on my chips. They better have. Oh, it is salty. Oh yeah. Imagine getting KFC chips with no salt on it. I'm trying to think of something worse, but I can't. Wow. Those chips are good. And the popcorn chicken, well, they didn't go too lousy with the sauce on this, so that's good. Hopefully it complements the flavour of that chicken. Kind of does. And all together. No. If you're looking for some extra saucy KFC flavours that are extra carby and extra salty, that make up 4,000 kilojoules, nearly half your daily average intake, then mate, this is the secret menu item for you. Could have been greasier though, but anyway. Anyway, I've only had a mouthful or two, but I know a score is getting out of 10. Well, $8.45 for something that weighed about 300 grams. I've paid double that for a hamburger that didn't even weigh that much. So value-wise, yeah, it's okay. Flavour-wise, well, it's just KFC chips, really. Although I did customise it to make them extra salty. And they were. And then you got the popcorn chicken. They're always nice. They don't really taste 100% like original, authentic KFC, but they're still pretty good. And that wicked sauce, well, it's sweetish. It's got a little bit of spice about it. It's pretty tasty though, and it goes well with this whole meal. They put the right amount of sauce on too. Not too much, not too little. They did very well today. Well done, supermodels. So for my all over value, all over flavour, all over taste, all over everything score, for the wicked loaded chips on the secret menu, mate, I think this one deserves a... It's not too bad. An 8 out of 10. Actually, it is starting to get a little bit spicy on the back of my throat, so if you're not into spice, don't get it. It's pretty tasty, it's a decent size, it's half your daily average intake allowance, it's got chips and popcorn chicken. Mate, what more do you want? Well, a couple of tenders on the top would have been good, but anyway, there it is, secret menu item, pretty tasty, and I reckon if you go and get one, you're gonna like it. Anyway, if you've made it this far, why don't you show the video some thumbing love, subscribe for more, and I'll see you next time for my next fast food review. I'll see you then.
Ooh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen.